Hi everyone, welcome back to Henry Dance Tutorials. Today we're going to be learning Sugar Honey Iced Tea by BABYMONSTER. This song is super fun, high energy, and the melody is really catchy. There's a lot of small details in the chorus, but don't worry, we're going to break everything down slowly. Let's get started. Alright, today we're actually going to learn the second chorus of Sugar Honey Iced Tea by BABYMONSTER. I'll put a timestamp on the screen to show you when the music starts. Let's get started. So we'll be starting at 1, 2, 3, 4 when she sings Monster Melody. You will prep your feet together. You will bend either your left knee in or right knee in, depends on which side you are in the formation. So you have a little bit of a bevel with your hip to the other side. So if you're bending your left knee, you're pushing your hip to the right. At 1, you're going to prep with your hands like this, and your palms are facing you, and you're going to rotate it to the left and around. If you look at it from the top, it's going to be clockwise with the rotation. At the same time, you're rotating your hip to the left, back, right, to the front. So same direction as your hands. Try your best to keep your elbows together with your body. And this is 1, 2, 3. So you go fast, slow, fast. This is 1, 2, 3. You don't move at and, you actually go with 4 with your hands in front of you crossing, and neutral, 5 going out, 6, like that. Let's go from the top again. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. So one more time, slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8, going 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. After 5, 6, you're actually going to do this head isolation. If you're not comfortable doing this yet, that's okay. Just imagine trying to push your chin towards your shoulder. So this way, you're going to go right, right. It's not right, left, right. It's more like right, neutral, right, neutral. This is 7 and 8 and. So after 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. Let's do it one more time slowly from the top. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, going 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8 and. After going 7 and 8 and, that's when the chorus starts, which is super fun because they're singing, I'm the sugar, honey, iced tea, and you know it. That's the melody, the super catchy part. You will step with your left, depending on where you are in the formation. Again, some people, they step with the right, but I will show you with the left leg. So you'll step out with your left leg, and your hand is just pointing your fingers down like this. So it's like this kind of hand gesture. So at the same time, you're tilting your head to the right. This is 1. So this is 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1. And then 2, you're going to point your hand either up or to the side. Again, depends on who you are. For the center person, you're going to point up like this with your left hand. Remember to hide your right arm at the back. When you point your left hand up like this or even down, your head is going to tilt to the left. At the same time, you're going to pick up your right leg behind like this. So again, this is 7 and 8 and 1, 2, like this. You're not going to stay there for too long because it's really hard to balance this way. 2, at 3, you're going to repeat the first step, 1, but with the right foot stepping down, like this. This is 3. And then at 4, you're going to do the left side, but this time you're going to keep your head tilt to the right. That's a small detail. So 2, 3, 4. Let's do it one more time slowly. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So after doing 4, you're going to have your left hand out like this and squeeze with 3 fingers. And your right hand is at the bottom, catching. I assume they are squeezing a lemon to make iced tea. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. At the same time, you're going to push your hip to the right and around to the back and to the left for 5, 6, 7, 8. And your head is going to follow your hip to the exact same direction when you are turning your hip. So this is right to the back, to the left, like this. If you want to add a small detail to make this move even more interesting, they were actually bouncing their heels to make it look like they're bouncing their hips at the back when they are turning. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8. So you are just going to arch your back and bounce with your heels going down, 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 down. It's actually easier when you're doing it faster. So this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go from 7 and 8 and slowly. 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after doing 5, 6, 7, 8, you're going to do the exact same thing but to the opposite side. So you're going to start with the right hand pointing to the left and stepping with your left, like this. So there's a little bit of a prep and then step down. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, you're going to pick up your left leg. 3, you're going to step back down. 4, you're going to keep your head to the left and step with your right. So let's do it one more time slowly from 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, you're going to do the exact same thing, but this time with your right hand squeezing and then your left hand at the bottom, like this. And at the same time, you're going to push your hip to the left and to the back and to the right. Your head is going to follow the same direction. If you want to make it more interesting, again, add the little bounce, just like that. So this is 5, 6, 7. You only do it 3 times because you're getting into the next move, moving to the next formation. So just go 5, 6, 7, not 8. Let's do it one more time slowly from 5 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7 at 8, you're going to jump and put your feet together and prepare to walk with your right. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So you just jump and put your feet together. It depends on where you are in the formation. Most people will have broken wrists up and down like this, or you can put your hand up on your waist like this. So this is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 5, 6, 7, 8. So after doing 5, 6, 7, 8, this move, I'm going to tell you right now, I'm not good at it. This is a shimmy. You're basically shaking your shoulders like this while you're walking with right, left, right, left. I'm not good at this, and I'm afraid that I'm going to hit the mic, but basically you are shaking your shoulders back and forth like this, but you don't really have to worry about the speed because it's super fast. You're just going to go ta 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 while you go right, left, right, left. So after going 5, 6, 7, 8, you prep going ta 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 and walk into your next formation. So let's do it slowly by count from 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. So after going 1, 2, 3, 4, you're going to prep with your hand open like this. At and 5, you're going to grab and pull your head to the right. So tap, like this, tap. You can have broken wrists as well, even if it's just pointing to the back or to the side. You still want to keep the hand gesture. So let's do it one more time from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. At the same time, you're still stepping with the right. So this is right, left, and right. So you're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, going right, left, left, and right. But this time you're gonna do a box step, crossing your right foot at the front, left, right, left. So let's do it one more time, just the feet. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it with the hand. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. When you were doing the box step, they actually added the small details on their shoulders just to make the moves more interesting. But this is a little bit more challenging. It really depends if you want to try it. But don't worry, I'm going to break it down. It's basically going right shoulder drop like this. So it's right, left, right, left. If it's too confusing, that's okay. You can just keep doing this for now. But naturally, you should be able to just drop your right shoulder, left, right, left. Imagine you're trying to squeeze your shoulder towards a hip that is going up because you're stepping with your right hip should be up for a little bit like this. Your pelvis like tilted like this, and then left, right, left. The hard part is to have your head tilted. When you're doing it without the head, it's easier, but with the head, it's actually more challenging, but that's what makes it cool. Let's do it slowly from 1 with the shimmy. 5, 6, 7, 8, going 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's try to go from 7 and 8, and so we can put the middle chunk together slowly by count. This is 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, going 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So after going 5, 6, 7, 8, we only have 1 8 count left. You're going to step with your right to the front and arch your back and swing your hip to the left and to the back like this. Not really all the way to the front, so you are stepping with your right and swing your hip all the way to the back-ish, right? But not all the way to the front because you're doing this gesture, but you stop kind of in the middle because you were doing other gestures after. So this is and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. So you are brushing your body like this with your right hand. Remember to hide your left arm. Don't let it dangle like this. Just go boom like this. So hip out. 1, 2, 3. At 4, everyone is doing a different gesture for some reason, but this is when they sing ah. So this is 1, 2, 3. Ah. It really depends on what you want to do. You can go 1, 2, 3, blow a kiss at ah. 4, which is, or 1, 2, 3, grab, throw. It's really up to you. So this is, let's go from 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, going 1, 2, 3. After going 4, this one is pretty easy. You're going to have broken wrist with your right hand again. Left hand, again, up to you if you want to do the opposite or you want to put your hand on your waist. Your shoulders are doing up, down this time. No more shimmies. This is up, down, up, down. At the same time, you're stepping with your left going tap, tap, tap. You only do it 3 times again because at 8, you're going to do something else. So let's go one more time from 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. So you slowly shift facing the right side. So after going 5, 6, 7, at 8, you're going to put your feet together facing the right side and bend your knees at the same time, having your left hand on your left knee as a support. Your right hand doing this, the signature hand gesture. I assume this is a drink. And you're going to put it right in front of your mouth like this. And you're going to tilt your head to the right first with your hair kind of flipped and hanging on the right side. So This is 5, 6, 7, 8. At 1, you're going to arch up. So you do a little bit of a wave up like this with your body and your head tilting to the back like this and arch up. At the same time, this is the little detail tricky part. Your hip is not going to just go up like this. It's actually going forward. So if you can see, it's actually going to the front when you're going up like this. So that's the hard part. Let's do it one more time from 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. At 4, you're going to clap and then pick up your right foot and then you walk into the next formation. Let's do it one more time slowly from 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try to do it slowly from this 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Going 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. We just finished learning the second course of Sugar Honey Iced Tea by BABYMONSTER. Let's go from the very top by my count at around 0.5x the speed. So we're going to do it slowly from the very top. Let's do it. So we'll start at 1. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. We just finished learning the second course of Sugar Honey Iced Tea by BABYMONSTER. As I said before, the song is super fun, high energy, and the music melody is just so catchy. I got so excited when I first heard the song, and I actually really liked the first chorus, like the dance of the first chorus. So if they release any performance videos, let me know down in the comment section below. I'll try to learn the first chorus and teach it in the future videos. Let me know if you have any questions about this dance, because this dance, there's a lot of small details, but don't worry, practice slowly and you will be fine. Let me know if there's anything I can improve on this channel as well, because this is still a really new channel. I really appreciate your feedback and your support. If you have any song suggestions you want me to learn and teach in the future videos, let me know down in the comment section below as well. Thank you so much for practicing with me once again. I'll see you in the next one.